You're also an avid dog lover. I'm a big dog person as well. You have 2
I
dogs.
have 2 girls.
What are the? These are your dogs. Look at them. Is it a Jack Russell?
I miss them.
You miss
yes,
them?
the big one is the Jack Russell. Well, she's really thin actually, and the white one is a Maltese. Her name is Lorelei. The Jack Russell's name is Jackie. They're my girls.
Do they actually come to matches?
They come everywhere. They come everywhere that mommy goes.
Is that right?
Yeah, they're not here with me now because I didn't want them to go.
That's one of them watching one of your matches.
Oh, she came to the tennis. She's such.
She looks totally into it too.
She totally was.
Well,
see, I might have a favorite.
we decided that since you bring your dogs everywhere,
Yes.
that they should be as stylish as you.
so,
So
too.
we got you some of your most famous
awesome.
outfits that we thought your dogs could also have as well.
look at that.
So here's a
Look
little
at
like headband. This is
Yeah.
this is the little leather outfit.
Oh, no way. That is
For the
just
dog.
the same outfit.
Yeah.
That is so awesome.
Yeah.
Look at the skirt.
This
That's
is
so cute. I don't
this is
know
your
if
new Nike outfit.
I love it. That's
Yeah.
so cool.
And here's the
oh my God.
here's that leather polish.
That one's definitely my favorite.
And I think we got one
I'll
more
put Jackie
here.
in this one.
This is-
and that's the jean skirt.
Yeah, the jean skirt
Oh,
with.
they are fitted now. They
These are actual.
totally
Yeah,
fitted.
these are actually especially made.
Oh, that is so
by a doggy
cool.
designer. Yeah, so.
Jackie is going to be so excited. I'm going to text her right now.